We shall discuss about interface of Blender software. When you open Blender software, this screen appears in front of you. This area on screen is called splash screen. Left-clicking on this splash screen closes the splash screen. This area on the screen is called Info Editor. This area is called Outliner Editor. This area is called Properties Editor. This large area is called 3D View Editor. This area is called Timeline Editor. These are 5 main editors on this screen, and each editor has its own header. These highlighted areas are basically headers which belongs to relevant editor. This highlighted area is called Info Editor Header. This highlighted area is called Outliner Editor Header. This highlighted area is called Properties Editor Header. This highlighted area is called 3D View Editor Header. This highlighted area is called Timeline Editor Header. These highlighted areas are called splitter widgets.